I quickly sketched in the animals in red paint as soon as I got there. 20 minutes in. This was a beautiful farm to table garden party, and I wish that I had got more video footage of the food, but I was busy painting. Cute little Paula. I have accumulated beers. Bag goats. I did not get a last video of what I left with, but this is close enough. It did sell, so I get to take it home and work on it and make it so perfect. Oh, it's so much fun.